Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Kawasaki Z400. This bike with ABS brakes just arrived with only 162 miles. You heard me right. Adjustable levers, updated mirrors. It's got the SW Motec engine guard. And again, 162 miles. This lightweight Street Fighter twin just arrived. Come and make your naked sport dreams come true. This gorgeous Z400, only $54.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.